Hi Cub.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to the Adventures of Cub Split Flops. On today's video, we are going to give you a room tour at Chessington World of Adventures.
Of the Jumanji themed room.
Of the Jumanji room.
Look,
Cub's very
look.
excited. Come on then. Look at the detail on this. It's so cool. You literally walk, you've got your own little corridor over the wooden bridge. Cool, you look very green. I spotted some glasses on the floor.
It's just very green.
We are in 328. Let's see if anybody's in. You ready, Cub?
Welcome to Jumanji.
How did you say that without moving your mouth, Daddy?
It was the monster behind you.
Right, show you the bathroom first. You have little dental kits.
Yeah. You have a nice leaf rod.
Leaf rub.
A nice picture.
That is a nice
of
picture.
Jumanji. A big hippo.
A hippo trying to
Little
eat
shower.
you while you're showering.
Yeah.
No bath in this one, just a shower.
Yeah.
Right, come on then. What else have we
Also
got?
mirror. This way you have what you like to call the important.
The
The
important.
essential stuff.
No biscuits.
Why?
Plenty of cupboard space. We've got little lights in the cupboard.
Oh,
Okay, that don't work. Your iron and ironing board. Come on then, Cups. Let me show you. Carpet. And as you heard when we come in, let me see if we can do it again. The door talk.
Welcome to Jumanji.
There's no sneaking out in the middle of the night to go partying because I will know.
Yeah.
There's the kids' little area. I think, oh yeah, you can just take that off and
And also you do get Oreos in this room as well. If you want some extra Oreos.
a couple of ounces of Oreos.
Yeah.
And get their own little lights. It's quite nice. Oh, you see the little windows come up here? Looks like you're in a little hut. It's really cool. You've also got 3 beds, so you can pull out one as well.
Yeah.
We can't at the moment, so the wheels are there.
And one of my favourite parts is
We-
this.
We have a game.
And make it sound like this.
So you have to put your hands in the holes.
You have to follow
You
that.
have to, oh yeah, I think we have to follow the. Oh, that wasn't right. Beep.
It wasn't. Don't worry.
I think it's a case of following the pattern, and then I think the middle light lights up green when you've done it. You've also got a treasure hunt. In our Legoland hotel tour, we had a treasure trail. We've got one here as well that we've not done yet, but we'll do in a moment.
Yeah.
Excited.
Yeah.
Took us a while to find the safe as well.
Yeah, the safe is just here. More storage, also a fridge. Binoculars, so oh no, they're attached, you can't see anything. They're just decoration. We have no animal view. What we got?
Back of the sea life centre.
Oh yeah, back of the sea life. Lots of trees. Cub, can you show us the back of the door? Back of the bed. What's up there?
The Jaguar Shrine from Mandrill Mayhem or World of Jumanji.
Look at him. He's cool, isn't it? Look at all the theming on the wall. Very detailed. Oh, who's he?
A mandrill.
Hello, Mr. You've Mandrill. Watching you while you sleep. You've got hippos trying to eat you in the
Okay.
shower. Snakes over there.
Carrier trying to eat them.
Oh, there's a hippo here as well. Very, very well
I think
themed.
we've got
Oh, the big
hippos
cobweb
on
there.
bed. We've got
let me go to this corner. So if I go wide angle, then you can, there we go, you can see it better now. Look at that. Look how cool that looks. You've got the green lighting down there. So yes, very, very well themed. Even down to the carpet. It's like a little,
And
looks
wait,
like you're
wait.
walking on a
I looked at the
step bridge
windows
there.
as well, look.
I know, I've just done the windows.
Oh.
So we're going to do the treasure hunt now.
Okay.
Right, let's go. So, how many butterflies can you find on the bunk bed? Quick, go and have a look.
It's about 600.
600. 55 hours later.
How many can you see? Couple?
How many?
How many? I counted.
Okay, well, he's not good. We won't tell you, so you can do your own treasure trail when you come. How many hippos can you find in your world of Jumanji bedroom? How many hippos? Let's have a look for hippos.
About
No,
600.
Cobb, that's bathroom.
I hope there's not 600 hippos.
Butterflies are one.
Even run. Look at those beaming around the ceiling. That's really cool. Right, cool. Got your answer?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm still on wide angle
Let's
then,
put it
dear.
on, let's put it on this.
We need a pen.
How many mandrills can you find in your lair?
What's mandrill? Or the monkey?
That dude over there.
Is there any more dudes? Any in this room?
Beaming literally goes all
No,
around.
just one.
You got the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, you've got the answer. And the last one. How many holes surround the green jewel on Dr. Bravestone's rock?
It's Cobb.
Oh, how many jewels?
We know that one.
Have you found the answer? Right. So when you've got your answer,
Yeah.
put it into the safe. Cool, won't let me show you the number because he doesn't want me to give the answer away.
Go on then.
Go on then.
Let's see if I've got it on the right bit.
Open it up.
Is it on this bit?
Oh, no, that's a drawer, Bubbles. Right, go on then. Ta-da! Oh,
No, we've got something wrong.
not ta-da. Oh, is that it?
Is that the same?
No.
Oh,
we're
no,
going to have to
there's
go back
something
and
wrong.
try again. Right, we'll be back to you in a mo.
Go on then.
We're ready now.
No, still done
Let's-
something wrong.
No, because Dad's just done it. You have to.
Let's have a
That's
look.
That
Just
wasn't very
done it.
fitting sound, was it?
There we go. Go on then, Coco.
Do you hear how fitting that sound was?
Oh,
When
Is it?
Monkeys!
No, there's Cubby.
oh, we've got monkeys.
Is it monkey banana?
Oh.
Wow.
We've got 2 little monkeys.
That's it.
Cubs
That all
and
our
monkeys.
treasure.
3 little monkeys.
So that's your little treasure chest that you get in the safe. Oh. You also have your takeaway
Let's go.
menus. I'll show you quickly. What else have we got? Oh, you got pizzas, the kids ones, desserts. Or you can do what we do and order Uber Eats. We've seen quite a few of them coming in. So this is a room tour for Jumanji room at Chessington. Oh,
Cub,
whose is that hat?
Cubs.
Is that your hat?
Yeah.
Whose is it?
And I have mine on
Somebody's
right now.
left the hat behind. Do you know who it belongs to? What's his name?
Something stone.
Dr.
I was
Bravestone.
going to say silkstone.
Right. So that concludes our tour for Jumanji room.
Right.
We hope you enjoy it. It's very, very nice.
There's a torch on there so we can read what it says.
Thanks for watching the Adventures of Cub Split Flops. Here he
For
is.
the love of men, we see you on the next adventure. Bye.
Goodbye. Don't forget to check our other room tours. We've got all sorts on there.
Ow.
Ow.
Bye.
Injuries.